How many sounds does ch have in English? Did you know the letters ch can make 3 different sounds in English? First sound like ch in chair, the most common sound. Examples: chair, chicken, cheese, chocolate, church. Example sentences: the chicken sat on the chair eating cheese. I love chocolate after church. Second sound in words of Greek origin. Examples: chorus, school, chemistry, character, orchestra. She studies chemistry at school and sings in the chorus. The character played the flute in the orchestra. Third sound in words of French origin. Examples: chef, machine, chalet, champagne, chic. The chef used a machine to prepare the food. She stayed in a chalet, drank champagne, and felt very chic. One digraph, 3 sounds. Master the ch and sound like a native.